Nice little mod for you today. These are the boom arms off the HC104TB telescopic boom arms. Awesome stands. As you can see, this one's a bit beaten up. The tube's a bit rough in places, and the guy who owns it wants to replace it. So what we've got to do is take the clamp off, move this bit out of the way. We'll punch the split pin out, and then we'll replace the tube. Move that out of the way. So here's the new tube which I've ordered. It's stainless steel, 25.4mm or 1 inch diameter by 1.2mm thick. We'll mark them at the same length, chop them off, and then refit the parts. I'll make sure I keep the same one with these, and I can transfer the holes so they both fit perfectly. I'll use a miter jig, and then I'll be able to cut this dead straight. Nice square cut. So now I want to transfer this hole onto this tube. 10mm. And then I'll put it on the pillar drill and drill straight through it. And the tricky bit will be getting this back in here, because this tube is very slightly thicker than the original, so we're probably going to have to bash it about a bit. Perfect. So now the hole's in, we'll bang the split pin back through. So they're now reassembled. Just a lick of paint, job's a good one. Brand new.